I wanted to learn a trade because I love working on race cars.
I would much rather be out doing stuff, working with my hands.
I got into this trade through my uncle and my father.
I wanted to learn a trade because I've always enjoyed baking.
It's a fast-paced environment. It's challenging.
I'm learning a trade at SUNY.
I'm studying automotive at SUNY.edu.
I'm studying masonry at Alfred State.
I'm studying automotive technology at SUNY Erie.
Plumbing and heating and HVAC.
Baking, production, and management.
CNC industrial technology.
I'm studying at Alfred State College, and this is my classroom.
This is where I study.
This is where I study.
This is where I study.
This is where my classes are.
After graduation, I want to work on a drag team at the track.
I will be continuing an additional year in electrical construction.
Work as a baker in a bakery.
Working at the dealership.
Working in the field, building up my community.
I'm learning a trade at SUNY.
I'm learning a trade at SUNY.
I'm learning a trade at SUNY.
I'm learning a trade at SUNY.